everyone! Welcome to Craftamo. Today, we're gonna unbox Emma Lefebvre's watercolor subscription box for the month of September. First up, we've got the printed artwork with the tutorial link on the back that will guide us through the whole creative process. Next, we have these beautifully packed watercolor paints. In this box, you'll be getting Scarlet Lake, Yellow Ochre, Leaf Green, and Cobalt Blue hue. As a delightful bonus, we've got the Craftamo Vegan Brush Soap, which is a must-have for keeping our brushes in top-notch condition. I already tried this using on my past video, and trust me guys, it's a game changer. Now, onto the brushes. We've got a size 12 round brush and a size 2 cut stang brush. I'm particularly excited about the cut stang because it's a new experience for me. We also got a handy tracing template and 5 sheets of 300 GSM cold press watercolor papers. Confession time! I'm not the most confident when it comes to freehand drawing. That's why I'm gonna use this tracing template that was provided on the box. And now, my favorite part, the painting process. I've gotta say, everything about this box just speaks to me. Starting with the watercolors, the brushes, the subject. As an artist, I thrive on exploring the beauty of the natural world, and this box is a perfect reflection of that passion. I also love how every tiny detail in the painting makes it look so much better. It's like adding little pieces to a puzzle, and it all comes together to make something amazing. And here's my final painting. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on our next video. Happy painting!